previous video we are making a basic installation. Now we are going to the creating a model, controller, resource and a request. Okay, let's create first of all the basic installation. Okay, and let's first of all create users. Let's update this migration. We need let's create one for username, for unique as a username, and then let's create one for avatar. Okay, let's create one phone number, email address, email already have, and then password already have, and the user type is okay, admin and users. We will create seller also. Let's, and then status active and inactive. That's it. And let's create one user seeder. Admin seeder. Okay, after that go to the admin seeder and create there is a name is admin, user is admin, default avatar, phone number, let's put address is like Nepal, any admin at the email, and password is password, role is admin, and status is active. That's it. And let's call this from the database seeder. Okay, let's call admin seeder. Okay, that's it. Admin seeder. Let's create basic modules like category. We need like products, categories, brand. Okay, let's first of all create for add users. Okay, first of all create one route admin.php. we have to separate web route and admin route, that's why. So let's import the admin. Okay, let's basic admin route and admin. Let's grouping this. No need this one, and we need to verify also, no need. Okay, let's leave this one. This AI is suggesting me. Okay, let's first of all prefix admin, name always make admin dot always, then group functions, and then dashboards. Okay, no need this one. And okay, that's it for route basic. This one route include and middleware use. Here another middleware we have to create. Let's PSP artisan make middleware. Okay, admin check middleware. Okay, oh sorry, middleware. Oh, L is missing. L is missing. Okay, this is admin middleware. Let's check auth user password auth. Check if have auth, then user role is admin, and then return to the admin, otherwise request, otherwise send to the redirect to the we have to API or back to the login. Okay, later we will make a admin login separate. That's mean unauthorized. Let's now is the login. I will do the admin login page later. Okay, and that's it. Then authentication is ready to this route, and here is it admin check middleware class. Okay, direct we have to add here classes, no need to add there anywhere. And let's see the web pages. Okay, and we have a name, email, and delete users. So let's say new field, what we have to edit now. Go to resource this and component UI. No, let's remove first of all sidebar. We don't need like where is the sidebar? The footer. Sidebar, this is header, this is in drop down. What is this footer, guys? Like heading. Let's see basic sidebar. And there is this is content, this is a footer. I think this one. Yes, this one, right? I prefer the glide mode. Let's create user list. Okay, admin list and user list. permission we will do later in the additional section. Now we have to show the admin separately and user separately. Okay, let's add here admin and customers, like users and users, admin as a admin, not this one only. We have to dashboard is a default, let's leave it. No, let's add admin dashboard, admin users, admin users, and then admins. Okay, seller, let's leave it. Okay, we have this one, so let's import into users. Lucy chart, I can import users, and then for admin, add user, from Lucy chart import user. Okay, that's it, user. And what is this? To dashboard is coming. Okay, I have make already on data tables, so you have to use this data tables video from YouTube channel. From go to there and how to install these data tables. Okay, and how to configure these data tables. I am like copy from this data table from my previous project. Okay, let's make one data table. One second, I am getting these tables now. Okay, I will explain you, and or you have to use these data tables. You can see from the previous video I am creating this data table now. Okay, if required some data tables, I will create okay, I am creating this data tables for in the component. There is a data table. Okay, this data table taking user routers from inertia, then Lucy chart, use street, and delete dialog we will create. Okay, delete dialog, we are creating this. Let's create also here, create one tsx file and making a deleted dialog. Okay, export here default function deleted dialog. It will be take a title and a description. Okay, no need this one. This is a TypeScript, so we have to use here basic type, define types. Title is a string and description also a string. So let's make one header and it's 3 classes, then class name is equals to MB 0.5 text base font medium sorry, medium, and here we have to put title. Then there is a down is description. If description have as a description, text is not smell mutate. Okay, and this is I define. Here is we need to mutate foreground, and text is small. Okay, small. This close is okay. This is delete dialog. We will send title, description, and header. What is the message? Okay. No, sorry. We need to confirm to delete. One second. Okay, we are making a delete dialog. Let's export delete function. Here is we have to send is open, then we need to close is open unclose function, and then unconfirm, and then confirm. Then we need to title, then we need to message, then we need to confirm button text if we change later, and then cancel button text. Okay, let's define this one. Okay, let's return dialog. Okay, let's create one div. Sorry, in this div we have to create another div, then s3. Here we have to put a title, and then one passage message, and then button. Under this button unclose and confirm, and after confirm unclose. Okay, close. Then here is a confirm button text, and where is this unclose. Okay, that is the two functions. Oh sorry, here is a small functions, suggested me are better. Let's close. Okay, let's give a class names. As background opacity 50 is a 50, fixed insets 0, and z index is a 50. Flex will items always center, and then justify content center, and then busy black. Okay, and area model is true. Class name, then width full is a max width, middle MD, rounded I need LG, then busy white with white, then padding 6, shadow LG. Okay, then here class name mp4, then text LG I need, then font medium, and text gray 900. Same for paragraph, class name mb5 text sm gray 500 600 gray. Okay, here is second is flex items center justify int. Okay, and then space, let's give where is space is x3. Okay, no need to this gap. And then let's button class give class name of button. This button is rounded, rounded, rounded middle, background gray 200, then px padding x is 4 and padding y is 2, then text small, font medium, text gray, we need 800, and then hover after is background gray 300, focus ring 2, focus ring gray, gray 300, focus ring offset 2, then focus outline none. Okay, let's use the same rounded bg red 600, then px text small medium dot text hover, we need to read 700 600, focus ring and 500. Okay, focus ring offset 2, focus outline none. This is our pop-up. Okay, and then go to the table component, let's import delete dialog. Okay, and this one also type define, okay, icon from the okay, there is a React element we need here, and this is the data table. We will pass data, then how many columns, resource name, singular names, we will route name, then filters. Okay, then view router, what is the view router, he can view or not, he can create or not, he can edit or not, delete it or not. And then icons, we need to create a React route, what is the edit route, we have to pass this empty now, we will, and then on delete functions we will pass. After that we have to create a one error constant, then source filter for source, this per page how sorting for default is id, then direction is descending order items to this one show delete dialog is false. This state you have to define. I already explained this video, you have to see here. And then update route, we will get a filter parameters all, and then new parameters, then send get our route is the what is the route here, and then preserve stability is true and preserve scroll is false, then send the parameters. Okay, and then handle source, we will handle source, then update route, handle parameters per page change, then update routes and per page change. Same source, we have to source is change and which columns we have to set, then starts route change, then date format, two type of format we have to create here, you can see. Then cell render, what type of cell we have to here, cell render all if values, then this one you have to see, then column type, and then image type if column, if boolean type. Okay, if custom type, index type, then close. After render action columns, you can view resource button will be seen, edit resource will be edit seen, say can delete, and then table of column we have to define this. If can edit delete view resource will show the action column, then render the table dark mode acceptable, then go this one and action tables resource title, and can create if add button is coming here, then input source functions here. Okay, and this is the show pagination per page, how much we have to show here, and then table column render here, and then column body rendering here, and then pagination setup. Okay, after pagination setup, and it will be come to delete dialog, and then show the delete dialog options. Okay, is open is string. Okay, there is something type mismatching, let will be fixes, is open is a boolean. Okay, okay, title we have to delete item, confirm, cancel, delete, we have to pass other things. Okay, and let's create first of all controllers. PHP artisan big controller admin, under admin we have to create user controller, then create a route, resource route, go to admin section, create here under the specific prefix route resources. Okay, and then not a single resources, and make a array. Okay, all resource we have to put in the same section here. Okay, import user controller, that's it. And let's move on the user controller. Yes, okay, let's first of all create a public function index. Okay, and here we have to return the all requirements. Okay, let's first of all pass the request, what we have to filter, request to request, and this is response is mm, what type of resource? Resource response we need inertia type of response. Use inertia response. Okay, that means we have to send admin user index. Okay, let's see. Not this one. We have to pass. We need to pass from here later. Okay, first of all we have to get the per page, okay, from this one, and then source we need here, then sort, then direction is a descending order. By default is id. Let's make first of all query. Okay, users query, it will be users, not query, user, select what we have to select from user id. Okay, and then name, email, and phone number, and created it, and address no need. Okay, that's it. Then not only this one, let's import first of all user. Okay, when source is coming, okay, when source is coming we have to name, email, phone number, we have to source here. Okay, then by sort by, order by, sort and a direction, then users pagination is a per page, and query no with query string. Okay, we have to pass, then get change, let's say users, and then users. Here we have to pass other parameters like filters, then filters have source, sort, direction, per page, and we have to send page also. Okay, then let's send permission also. He can what he can, like he can create. I am sending by default the letter permission we have to define. Okay, create, edit, also true, and delete, also true. Okay, we will pass this one users. Other if required from here I will send. Okay, that's it. Let's create for the components pages where we have to create admin users index. Okay, admins users, and here we need to index.tsx. Okay, okay, that's it. Let's index component make. Okay, first of all let's refc. Okay, functional component, no need to, let's see one by one. Direct I have to export default function is user index. Okay, like here we have to get user information directly, okay, or now I am getting this without index tsx, okay. Here is I need users, filters, and can, okay. Use page, import this use page in the top, import from the inertia, and the data tables from the component, and I need the layout also, import app layout, okay. This is not from here. App layout is always layouts slash app layout, okay. This is admin layout, we will change later to user layouts, okay. And then let's import here, make constant columns, okay, user columns. Let's create index. Here is a key is equals to index, then label is equals to head sortable false, okay, and then type is equals to what happened, type equals to indexed column, and then we need the width, width is 80 pixel, and same one is render, wait, yes, key index, labels for type index, and render is we pass items, here is a callback function, and index is number, what is this, index is number I need. Then there is a passing function, so returning filters dot per page, filters per page minus 1, no need, it will be always coming here, filter per page minus 1, filters per page plus index, and then index plus 1, no need this one, okay. Okay, that's it. And another column, let's define name, another column is name, key is equals to name, label name, and sortable true, and type is text, type no need to send. And then email for email, okay. Let's phone number created and actions no need, okay. This is always written users, not admin, means little bit update the query, always written word or role equals to not admin, okay, or you have to send not admin, others type we define, that's it. And then column is define, let's function return, okay, app layouts, where we have to define head, inertia head, inertia heads, and title, let's send user, and then pass one div Here is the class name. We have to define py6, then another div, as the class name is mx auto. After that we need to use data table. Okay, we have to define not okay not data tables from this data table, and let's close this one, and let's pass every parameters like data, user of users, column is columns, type mismatching, empty array. Okay, and then go here, columns. What is the column type? Is any, we have to define. Let's see, I'm get any. Okay, then wait, what we have to pass here, data, then column, then resource name users. Okay, users, single name is user, and then route name is admin user index, then filters we have to pass, then can view resource, then coming can view. Now I am direct sending false. Okay, same can edit, can create, edit, delete, view route, this one admin route, no need to pass, it will be passed from directly from there in the code, so this one no need. Let's see, the can create also pass, can view pass, can edit pass, can delete pass, and view route also, edit route, delete, and delete function we have to pass, like handle delete. Okay, yes, handle delete. Let's create handle delete functions, methods, handle delete. Here is by pass id. Okay, I am getting this suggested. Let's router dot delete, admin destroy deleted. Let's pass the preserve scroll, scroll. Okay, on success and on delete toaster. Let's define later toaster. Okay, comment it. Okay, I think let's see the output. Okay, page is not found, settings, what, how it's coming, settings, go to the sidebar, users, nav items already have to I get it now. Why? always starting from the slash. Okay, so it will be take from base. See, something is missing. Issue, let's inspect. Let's admin users. Okay, that means middleware issue, it's redirecting to the dashboard. Okay, let's see where is mistake. Prefix admin users have auth admin. Check if role is admin. Let's check the user roles here, is admin or not. Null. That's the main issue. All right, so why missing? Let's say the migration create, we are create a role as admin, and first of all user is coming or not. Main thing is this, after creating coming and user role not coming. Okay, that means data binding is missing. Let's see users model. Here we need everything, role, status, and avatars, phone number, address, username. Okay, that means now it will be gets information. 1 second. Level property we have to get, that means let's log out and log in. Why? But why not coming? There is users information. Let's investigate. Inertia default route name, auth user request in the auth, not here. Authentication session. Like now role is coming or not? Not. Why? PSP annotation cache clear. PSP annotation optimize clear. Okay, admin role is not coming. Let's leave this testing now. Okay, I'll check further check. Let's see the users. Okay, role in where connection. Oh, I see, I understand now. Okay, okay. Because PSP artisan migrate fresh. Okay, because table have not created in the database, that's the main issue. And let's create a seeder also. Okay, PSP artisan make seed, no, db seed. That's it. What happened? Hash is not defined. Let's go to the define hash. Okay, that mean, okay, I get it now, guys. Go there. Okay, that's it. Something is missing here. Let's solve. Ziggy router parameter is required in the show. So user parameter is required for router. Okay, so I understand what is the issue. Go to your index page. Okay, here is route, not route, sends only string from pass here. Parameter, it will be directly passed to the in tables. Okay, this no need. As users icon, and from Lucy chart we have to send. Let's see. Oh, direct pop-up message is coming. Where is my delete pop-up box in table? Let's see. First of all, let's so is on dialog is false. Then why it's popping? Let me comment it now. Okay, yes, now is table is coming for page. Let's create users. Okay, PSP, no, let's first of all that's it. Let me first of all create from the PSP. I'm inserting one data. Okay, I will make a factory next session. No, not B2B, we have a Laravel full e-commerce, right? So let's insert copy users, user, then user, then here is the user active, everything is fine. And let's see. Okay, it's coming. Let's create another user section, edit and delete operation will the next session. Thank you so much.